In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a post link on Facebook. So what you want to do is first go on Facebook and find a post that you want to copy the link for. Now you can choose whatever post you want. So let's say I want to share this one. Then I need to click on share. And then I can write share to story, page, group, more options, send in Messenger. Click on more options and then click on copy. And now you have copied that post link. If I go to my notes and I come here, click on paste, as you can see, this is the link. If I click on it, it's going to take me to a Facebook page with that post I have opened. I don't know why it's not open. Let's click on open. Yeah, I guess there are some issues with Facebook at the moment, but it should open it automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.